Hey guys, this is Nick at Boosted Innovations in Slidell, Louisiana. I want to share with y'all today this build that we're starting off. This is our buddy Aaron's new Edge. Started life as a V6 car, and we're going to go ahead and do a twin turbo LS setup on it. We've started off by pulling everything out. We got TeamZ front suspension, Tubular K Member, TeamZ rear suspension going in it. The goals for this car basically is just a fun driver, power steering, AC, but still capable of some mid-8s, you know, whenever he wants to go and take it out to the track. So we're gonna go ahead and do a Forge 5.3, some twin VS Racing mirror image 6762s. We have a Moser 9-inch going in it. Still a little undecided on transmission, but likely a Turbo 400. We have a full Holley system going in it. Wait till you see that. We have the new 12-inch screen. It's going to be a pretty nice setup on it. We'll keep you updated. Next step is finishing up the front suspension, get it back on the ground. We're going to go ahead and start the front with a tubular front end. So we're going to be chopping it off right past the K Member mount. So we'll be updating you on that, and we'll keep y'all posted.
Cool. All right, so what we're about to do is we took off the Tubular K Member. We were test fitting it, make sure it fit. Took it back off because we're getting ready to start cutting the frame right here to put the tubular front end on, like Nick was talking about. So we get all the brake lines and stuff out of the way, and getting that all prepped and ready to go. So check back with you later. All right, so Nick's got all the lines lined up, about to get the cutting wheel, start cutting. Beep, beep.
I go stand in that cage and I'm just fucking covered in sparks. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys.
As you can see, Nick and Chris did a really good job putting this Rock Solid Motorsports tubular front end on. They do these type things pretty regularly, so they made it look easy. They did this in a full day, so starting at 6:30 in the morning and ending around 5 o'clock, we knocked it out. Finish it off by just putting some rattle can spray paint on there for now until the final paint goes on there to prevent it from some rust, but they did a really good job mocking this thing up and getting it set in place. We're also able to get the TeamZ Tubular K Member in. Went in easy, just a simple plug and play, as well as installing their front suspension kit and the Wilwood brake kit. So overall, long day, but we were able to achieve a lot of progress on this Mustang build. So the next thing that you'll be seeing coming your way is installing the Moser 9-inch rear end and TeamZ Motorsports suspension kit. So stay tuned and see you soon.